What if war could be fought at the speed of light? No explosions, no warning, no escape. A beam silently strikes a drone mid-air, it burns instantly. India has just tested something that could redefine modern warfare, a weapon that doesn't use bullets, doesn't use missiles but pure energy. A laser weapon system powerful enough to destroy threats in seconds. Welcome to the future of defense. India's new Integrated Air Defense Weapon System, IADWS, is not just one weapon, it's a multi-layered shield. Think of it as a digital fortress in the sky. It combines long-range missile interceptors, radar tracking networks, electronic warfare systems and now directed energy weapons. At the heart of this breakthrough is India's high-power laser system, developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. This system is designed to detect incoming threats, lock onto targets in milliseconds, and destroy them instantly. Unlike traditional systems, this weapon doesn't chase targets. It hits them at light speed. This isn't science fiction. This is directed energy weapon, DRDO, technology. Here's how it works. A high-energy laser beam is generated, the beam is focused into a narrow, intense point. The energy beam travels at 300,000 kilometers per second and on impact it hits the target instantly. Within seconds electronics fail, fuel ignites, structural integrity collapses and the target is neutralized. No debris, no interceptor missile, no second chance. Modern warfare is evolving. The biggest threat today isn't just fighter jets or missiles, it's drone swarms. Hundreds of low-cost drones attacking simultaneously. Traditional defenses struggle because missiles are expensive, ammunition runs out, reaction time is limited. But laser weapons change everything. With Integrated Air Defense Weapon System, cost per shot is extremely low, it can fire repeatedly without reloading and it engages multiple targets rapidly. This gives India a massive advantage in border security, anti-drone warfare and missile defense. India is not alone in this race. Countries like the United States, China and Russia are all developing laser weapons. The US has systems like IADWS laws. But India's approach is unique. Instead of relying solely on expensive platforms, India is integrating laser weapons into a layered defense network. This makes Integrated Air Defense Weapon System scalable, cost-effective and highly adaptable. During recent trials, India's laser system demonstrated checkmark precision targeting, checkmark rapid engagement and checkmark successful neutralization of aerial threats. The system can destroy drones mid-air, disable surveillance equipment, intercept slow-moving missiles and this is just the beginning. India's vision goes far beyond this test. Future developments may include ship-mounted laser weapons, airborne laser platforms, space-based defense systems combined with AI and advanced radar. India could create a fully automated defense shield. A system capable of detecting threats instantly, responding without human delay, neutralizing attacks before impact. For decades, warfare depended on speed, power and destruction. But now, a new era has begun. An era where battles are fought with light itself. India's laser weapon is more than a technological achievement, it's a glimpse into the future of global security. The question is no longer if laser weapons will dominate the battlefield, it's who will control them first.